Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down and find the system. Now let's tap on the backup option and as you can see now it is turned off. Under it we've got the info that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Your device will tell you it after adding a backup account also. So in order to turn on this feature, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the account option simply appears, so now we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is obviously required. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got again the shortcut of backup and storage info, so what your device will backup. So let's tap on accept. And again, so in order to remind you, the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just added our backup account to this device, and from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.